Let's approach with caution.
Unguarded breakfasts, the sweetest taboo.
Well, well, Marge Bouvier.
Arnie Ziff? Oh, that email. Look, I got a little drunk and we...
I'm not surprised you want me back in your life. You can't spell party without Artie. If you misspell party or Artie, how you doing?
Look, it's great to see you, but you should know I'm happily married.
Married? Was it consummated?
Pretty much, yeah.
What's going on?
Homer, don't talk with your mouth full. I've told you before, it's rude.
Oh, ho, trouble in paradise.
Hey, Marge, it's that guy who couldn't get any off you.
How would you all like to take a ride with me?
You're the old flame.
Homer, Marge, I have a rather delicate proposition.
Spill it, moneybags.
Yes, I do have everything. But yet I often wonder what life with Marge would have been like.
It's like being married to my best friend, and he lets me feel his boobs.
Oh, me.
Homer, I will give you $1 million to let me spend a weekend alone with your wife.
$1 million? Wait a minute. How much sex would be involved? As if it's some.
No, no, no. All I want is to show her what life would be like had she chosen me.
Marty, that's a sick idea. Come on, Homer, we're leaving.
Just think about it.
You'll win her yet, Artie. I mean, Artie.
Hey, where's our parents?
Hey, Marge, I just thought of something.
What?
If we had Artie's money, I could get that snoring surgery. Plus at least 2 of those other surgeries I desperately need.
No way, no how. I'll get used to the snoring, just like I got used to saying Courtney Cox Arquette. Besides, I like some of the noises you make in bed.
One squeaking spring symphony coming up.
Wow. Homer, that was amazing.
Yeah, Honey, did you get any sleep? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Are you snoring while you're awake?
Huh?
You need that surgery. We'll have to call Artie.
Okay, Ziff. You get it for the weekend, but no funny stuff. And by funny stuff,